Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be doing Form 4 mathematics, and this mathematics is also basics in Form 3 and a kind of Form 2 math, because it is something that is progressive. As you go to Form 3, you will meet the same concept, and as you come to Form 4, you will also be required to do some arithmetic expressions in this expression. So this mathematics is on how to find the area of a segment, and we know that to find the area of a particular shaded region, we will need to find the area of the sector and then find the area of the small triangle. So this is what I will be showing you in a while. I hope you will enjoy. Stay tuned, and at any point you can pause the video and try doing it yourself. You know, mathematics is all about practice. We say that practice makes perfect, but for me, practice makes permanent. So let's go as I show you how to find the total area of a shaded region given pi to be 22/7. Of course, you are expected to leave your answer in a short form. When you are asked to leave your answer in a short form, what we require you to do is to leave your answer in irrational kind of way, because a short is an irrational number. It is a square root that cannot be rationalized, and when this number can't be rationalized, we say they are irrational. So let's go as we find the area of a shaded region. So here we go. We are given a question: an equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter inscribed in a circle center 0. Find the total area of the shaded portion. Our pi is given as 22/7. The very first thing we need to do is to finish this diagram, because it is incomplete, and that will help us to be able to find the area of the shaded region. So here it is given as this angle here is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees, and now we want to find the area of the shaded region. But before then, we want to connect this length here in order to find what is our arc. So let's have this from this position up to here, and then connect it, also join this dotted line up to this point, a small kind of triangle, and then we have a kind of right angle triangle from this point. This angle here is given as 120 degrees. This is 120 degrees. The distance here, this is A, this is B, and then this is C. From here we have M. This is M here. Of course, this M is forming a right angle triangle here with angle 90 degrees. A right angle triangle. This length is 6 centimeter, meaning that this side is also 6 centimeter, and the segment here is 12 centimeter. And if this side is 12 centimeter, this side is also 12 centimeter. So that's what we have. So these are the complete information that is given, and with this now you can be able to proceed to find the area or the total area of the shaded portion. So in this triangle, we start by looking at in triangle. Draw a small triangle like this to represent triangle AOM. AOM. We are looking at this triangle AOM. AOM from this position. This triangle AOM. You can draw that triangle out so that it will help us to see virtually what we are trying to do. So this is our triangle. and this is A. We have O, and then we have M. Observe that M is forming a right angle triangle this side, and this is 60 as it is indicated, meaning that this side, this angle is 60 degrees. So this is 6 centimeter, which is the length, and this is R. Of course, we have this side of the triangle. So let's find sine of this angle 60 degrees is going to be given by this 6 centimeter divided by R. So what is R now? R is going to be given as 6 divided by sine 60 is nothing but root 3 over 2. So you have root 3 over 2, sorry. So that our R is going to be given as 4 root 3 centimeter. So this is the first thing that we need to find, and now we can apply our formula. We know that area of finding the shaded region, we have area so we want to find our area. In this case, it is area of the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion. We can represent or denote that to be capital A. So that area, the formula for finding this A is equals to area of the segment. This is segment, all this side, you see 12 centimeter area of the segment. Now minus the area of triangle. This is triangle ABC. This triangle here, the whole of this triangle ABC. So now how do we find this? So area is simply going to be given as area of the segment. We know it is 360 degrees minus theta. All this divided by 360. This is simply the formula. Multiply this by r squared, multiplied by pi r squared plus a half r squared. That is this side we are adding this small triangle, a half r squared sine of that angle. At this point we call it sine theta. Close this up. Now minus all this, minus the segment squared, because we have two segments, this side and this side, so square this segment, and then we have our r, and we already got r is given as 4 root 3, so it's going to be root 3 over 4. So now this is what we have. We can proceed from this information. So what you're going to do from here is that the area is simply going to be 360 degrees. What is our theta? Our theta in this case is 120 degrees. This angle here, this angle that we can see here, this is our theta, so it is minus 120 degrees. All this divided by 360 multiplied by pi. Pi is given in the equation as 22 over 7 r squared, and in this case our r is 4 root 3, so it's 4 root 3 like we got here, but it is squared. So square this. Now we have sine then plus a half. We have plus a half r squared, so it is a half of 4 root 3. It is squared, so this is also squared sine of that angle. It is sine 120 degrees. So close this up now. Close this up from here. The whole of this is what we have, minus s squared, which is the segment. In this case we have the segment to be 12, so it is 12 squared. We have 12 squared, then we have our root 3 all over 4, root 3 over 4. So this is the information that you have. We can proceed from here. So from here now we will can get rid of this so that we are able to use this side. So what we have then from here is going to be A, which is the area, is nothing but when you simplify 360 minus 20 divided by 360, when we simplify that, we can say it is 2 times 22 multiplied by 16, all this divided by 7. Plus now we will have 4. The whole of this, when you simplify, just put this in your calculator, you will get 4 times 3 times root 3 divided also by 1, divided by 1. Now all this minus what we have here, that is 12 squared root 3 over 4, which will give us 36 root 3 divided by 1, because it's simply 36 root 3, so you can divide that by 1. So the area is going to be, when you simplify this, 22 times 2 multiplied by 16 over 7, this will give us 704 plus what we have here, 4 times 3 times root. This will give us 84 root 3, 84 root 3. So all this divided by 7. Now minus what we have here is 36 root 3 over 1. 36 root 3 over 1. We can get rid of this so that we continue from there. So now what you have is that the area is going to be, from here we are going to have 7, just bring this together, 704 plus 84 root, we have 84 root 3 minus 2s squared, that in this case it is the segment, then root of 3, divide this all by 7. We are simply trying to simplify this, so the area is going to be 704 minus 168 root 3 divided by 7.
And since you are required to leave your answer, of course, put this is centimeter squared. This you are required to leave your answer in a short form. This is simply the answer for this given question, because when you try to simplify this root, you will still get irrational number. So just leave your answer this way, or simply plug this in your calculator and get the answer in a decimal form. And this is how you are able to find the area of the total area of a shaded portion in a given circle when you are asked this type of question. This is a national exam questions, and for Form 4s as they prepare for their exams this coming month, I would like you to pay attention to this question, and I wish you all the best in your exam.